If you want to set up the family on your Apple account on iPhone 16e, then first of all you need to go to the settings. Now go to your Apple account here, so tap on your name, and then you should be able to find family. So let's select it. First we need to set it up, so we can simply press continue, and right after that we should be able to invite other people to our family, so we can press invite others in order to select whomever we want to invite to our family. And we have different options like through the airdrop, messages, mail, and we can also invite in person, and so on and so forth. We can also create child account over here, and we can press done. If you go back to the family, this time you will see something like this. So here we can manage subscriptions that are within our family, purchase, sharing, and also location. And if you decide to invite more people to the family, then you can press this icon in the top right corner, and this allows you to go back to the same menu as before. And here you can go to the organizer, that is of course your account, where we can find our Apple account. Once again, subscriptions, purchases, location sharing, and we can also stop using family sharing if we decide to turn it off. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!